This episode brought to you by the Acme Tow Dolly Company, the manufacturer of the original hydraulic disc brake tow dolly. Hey guys, got the Sea Eagle kayak here. Can't remember exactly what model it is right now, but I'll put a link down to the bottom. Anyway, this is the carry case that comes in. See, it's pretty big. It's a little hefty, got some weight to it. Comes with two double-sided paddles. Pull those out. Got a little pouch here, inside here, got instructions, got a little repair kit. These are plugs for them. You put those in there. Last time we used it, we really didn't mount them too well. Anyway, this is a repair piece. More instructions. This little clear plastic thing has a little graph on it. It tells you how much to inflate it. We'll use that a little bit later. More repair pieces. And another kit. I might have told you wrong. No, that's a repair kit. I think one of these may be for the for my wife's paddleboard. Anyway, yeah, both of those are repair kits. So we just stuck them both in here. We're usually together, so. This is a pretty good kayak. We had a couple hard-sided ones that it was just a pain in the butt in the RV to carry them around. Really didn't have the way unless we were going to spend $1,500, $2,000 to put a rack on the back, and then our vehicle. We could have bought a rack for the vehicle, I guess, put them on there, towing them, but just a pain in the butt. It was just much easier to get rid of the hard-sided kayaks that we had, and to get one of these. This is actually sits 2 or 3 people. I want to say it holds up to 350 pounds. So it does come with 2 inflatable seats. There's the other one. It does have a couple little fin skegs, whatever you call them, on there. Go ahead and pull it out. It does have a little weight to it. You're a bigger guy than I am, shouldn't have no problem. I'm sure that's it. What it is, but anyway, I'll show you this. Lift it up here, show you a little bit better. Anyway, so it opens from the side, makes it easier to put the kayak when you fold it up into it. It's also open at the top. It has a drawstring top, but you can carry it several different ways. You can carry it like a backpack. There's these straps here. They're adjustable. So you can adjust them up and down. Or you can have it flat. You can bring over this handle, put it in there in that Velcro thing, and boom, and carry it like a duffel bag. Let me get rid of this. Set these down. I need these. Paddles over here. I'm on the ground for right here for right now. It does come with a billows type foot pump. Just fits down in the carry bag as well. Anyway, to open it, you just squeeze it. Little plastic thing comes off. It opens up. You connect this. There's one way to inflate, one way to deflate. Got 2 different holes. So anyway, and then this is going to connect to the kayak. So, get these out of the way. Let's open this boy up. kind of reminds me of a canoe. The shape of it, it's kind of like an old Indian canoe. The way the front of it comes up a little bit. I may have to put this on the ground. I'm not sure if this table can be big enough for me to do it, but maybe not. Anyway, I'll show you real quick. This little clear thing, inflation monitor is what it's called. Anyway, on the sides here, on both sides, one here and one here, it's got an inflation monitor. And what you do is you basically put that up there to it, and when the lines match up, you know when you got inflated properly. So this front piece has an inflation chamber. Each one of these pontoons on each side has an inflation chamber. I think each one. Yep, each one has one. And then the bottom has one, and it may be bottom one may be in the back. That may be my inflation chamber on the outside on the bottom. Make sure you got the right connection on here. This one's a little bit different than the paddleboard. Anyway, let's see. Basically what you do is on these screw in the base part, screws in down the bottom. And then the top, like a four-sided thing, you want to screw those. And then this screws on top of it, like so. And then what you do is make sure I got it right. You know what? I had it on the wrong side. I have it on deflate. It's real, folks. It's real. Mistakes happen here. It is hot. We are here at Springfield Campground in Lake Hartwell, South Carolina. Came here to meet with a group of other campers on Facebook. Anyway, that's the proper way. You hear it? Take that whistle out. Anyway, that's how it plays. So, see, that one's going to be probably pretty good. See if I can find the one for the bottom pillar. What we're going to do, guys, we're going to move this over to the ground, make it a little bit easier. So stay tight. Let's see if we make this a little bit easier. Yep, there it is. I found it. Just have it covered off. And I'm missing one of these caps. I'll put these on there better later. That way they don't come back off. Sorry about that, I had a fan going. Unless you can hear me better now. Alright, it's connected, so we're going to pump up the bottom. Probably shouldn't have done this front one yet. Probably should have done that last. Anyway. Goes like that. And then this other piece. Screws in up here. I'll get these mounted under better. They have a little O-ring under that they attach to. Yeah, it'd been much easier if I didn't pop up this first thing first. Probably should read the directions again. Alright, there you go. Alright, so we're going to pump up that outer pump here. Start to shake, then you get that get this little inflation monitor. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Anyway, you stick the half moon up there. Yeah. See how it sounds? And it's just about there. I'm going to give it a few more pumps. Let's try it again. That's more like it. Alright, take that back on. This comes with a bunch of different tops. You probably can take those off to make it a little bit easier. Yeah, put it in there first. You unscrew the whole thing out to deflate. It makes it easier. These have a little valve in them to keep the air from coming back through. Anyway. Make sure you don't cross thread. It'll damage both pieces. Yeah, let's try this. Sit on there. That won't work. Alright, let's pump it up. Alright, I'm going to check the inflation monitor on it. Out there. Give it a couple more pumps. Alright. Put that cap on there. That's good. Let's inflate this back one. Put the cap on there. Screw this top. There it goes. Don't take much for those. And there you have it, guys. It's inflated. All I gotta do is the seat. And as far as this inflation monitor, if you lose it, it's not a end of the world type thing. You can kind of figure it out about when you got it fully inflated. But you just don't want to overinflate it or underinflate it. If you overinflate it, it could pop. If you underinflate it, you could sink. Get one of the seats here. Now they're like a canvas material. They do have the same inflatable rings on here. And I have the caps back here. There's a little pocket in the back. I got the caps back here. You can store other stuff back here. It snaps down, zippers. Anyway. That screws onto there. And of course this piece right here. I don't have them connected. I should put this little ring around there. I just haven't done that yet. Take some time. Kind of been in a hurry. Anyway, you have another one at the front here. Just screw it on there. And then we'll screw that. And there you go. And then what we're going to do, same way as the rest of it. Screw this on. Like so. There you go, it gets tight. That's the bottom of the seat. Put that back on there. And we're going to do the top of the seat, the backrest. Sorry about my tongue sticking out. It's hot out here. Can't let go. Anyway, there you go. Fully inflated. Unscrew the pump. Put the cap on there. These straps. You got two on the backrest and two on the seat down there. If you saw our other video about the hybrid paddleboard, it has 4 D-rings. You can knock them down. This one does not. So what you do, you just wedge it in there. And since I'm the only one going out, I'm going to put it about right there. That way it keeps me about in the middle of the kayak. And make sure I got the right width. I have it the wrong way. By the way, they have these little inflatable protection for the little skeg fins there. Anyway, so I need to turn this seat around because the fins are in the back right there. So, anyway, just wedges in there and you sit down on it, and there you go. So next time you see me, it might be paddleboard or kayaking. So hope you like it, guys. This is the SE-370 Sea Eagle. It's a 2 to 3 person. It comes with 2 seats, but I think I saw where it said 3 people. It had to be 3 smaller people. I think it can hold up to 350 pounds. Let me get the paddle. Anyway, here's the paddle. It has 3 adjustments. You can turn the paddles, one facing one way, one facing the other way, both of them facing the same way, or vice versa. Anyway, that's that. Next time you see me, I'll be paddling. Order your RVing Illustrated decal today for only $5. Link is in the description below.
If you like our videos, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.